Hola, I'm Kevin, and my show is called Hiking with Kevin, and we had a great second season, man. So many great guests. The trails were amazing, great locations. In case you missed any of them, here's a recap of season 2. Galileo, 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 Galileo Figaro, Magnifico. Oh.
The whole world called it impossible.
Right.
There are real and present dangers out there. The oceanic white tips, the lemons, the tigers.
Sure.
These are aggressive sharks.
When you go take a bath, do you ever use a shark cage or do you go without the shark cage? What actor do you think is handsome? You can't say me.
You know, the titillating questions that I expected on this are just not happening.
My mother always said, don't get too much dust on your vagina.
What's the big English term for vagina?
The big one?
Yeah. Is it called the big one?
The term for a big vagina? A clown's pocket.
No,
Wait, what are you asking me?
What is your real first name? It's not Fred, is it?
Well, I was born with the name Ferrydun.
Are you like me? Do you think you're not smart? How are your teeth?
They're pretty good. I mean, I go to the dentist a lot.
Open? Okay, not bad.
Kevin!
I would imagine some people don't know you did MAD TV.
I did Ben Stiller and I did,
I've never seen anyone do Ben Stiller. How does he do?
it was just a lot of like, whoa, 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 okay, mister, I'm gonna the pussy woozy. Come on!
I went in the bathroom, locked myself in, I was like shaking and I see blood. So I go, I got the gun, I gotta shoot you. I can't believe I gotta shoot him. Because he's unstoppable.
Ooh, that was close.
Give me a moment of seriousness on your show.
Sure. Why is it that you think you're so happy?
Come on. Kevin, you're funny.
It's getting dark out. Yeah, spooky. Have you ever manscaped your body?
But by manscaping, do you mean some hair removal and shaping?
Yes. Yes.
Well, yeah, yes, I've experimented with it.
Hey, what's up? Oh. Big star here.
Does that happen a lot to you? People
Just this one
recognize you?
stretch right here. Hey, what's up?
Oh.
Hey, what's up?
There's horses here. Hence the poop.
Yeah. What is it about horses that women love so much?
Yeah, I have a theory. I'm thinking that it feels good when you ride them.
Oh, on the clitoris. You know, the thing you don't have to worry about is identity theft. Who's going to want the name Weird Al?
That's true.
Do you sleep excitedly too?
I am so excited when I sleep.
What's your favorite sleep?
I go, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, here it comes.
I'm going.
Gone. And then I wake up,
Here we go again.
woo! I did weed once.
Yeah, weed once.
Yeah, marijuana.
Marijuana. I love the way you say marijuana.
Marijuana.
You could be on Narcos.
I could.
And it's hard to become likable when you're such an imposing figure and you have the beard.
Big.
And you're almost like terrorist looking.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks for the compliment.
Do you think in general you're a negative person?
Yes. You know what it is? I'm trying to
Get down! Get down! Get down!
Move! Move!
Kevin, hiking, no crew. Kevin, sound,
Yeah.
GoPro, jokes. Initially, Hans and Franz was really just pretty much Arnold.
Yeah.
And then we took it into more just, we abstracted it.
Where did you come up with the idea to do this show? Are you going to crowd me like this the whole time?
I am, and everybody
Why
says
do we have
that.
to walk with me on the edge of the cliff?
Are you going to be complaining the whole hike? Jesus. Why are you so ornery? You know what ornery means?
Yeah, that's when you're with a lady.
No.
Sometimes people will say, hey, you look like the girl from SNL. I'm like, that's me. I'm funny and that's that.
That's that. No questions
There's
asked.
no question. Oh, man.
Mijo, ¿qué pasa? ¿Cómo está?
Hola, Kevin. Aquí nomás, caminando por Long Beach. Aquí enseguida del barco.
Okay, I'm going to have to stop you right there.
What happened?
I don't speak Spanish. How was it being king of the Mexicans?
Nice.
Woo! Is that the Queen Mary?
I hope so.
It wasn't you, was it?
That wasn't me.
I had an ear taken off, bitten off and sewed back
what?
on from a dog bite.
Really?
Can you see it?
Jeez, look at that.
Can't see that?
Move your finger. Move
Oh,
your fat
sorry.
finger.
Trying to show off that I'm engaged.
Are you vaping on this hike?
Yeah. No, it's my camelback.
That's not the Hillary I know.
Are you tired?
No.
You just slow down for a sec?
No, it's just a heart thing.
Oh, okay. Well,
I'm here with Michael Stevens, the smartest guy on YouTube. And I'm like, no, I'm not. Do I know how to vulcanize rubber? Do I know how to plant and when to plant things? No. Two snowflakes could look alike. It's just extremely unlikely.
Little Donny Osmond, I can't believe you are our grandfather now. Donny, what's the difference between a teen idol and a heartthrob?
Nothing.
How long do you think you could survive in the wild?
With you? Not very long. Do I consider myself an outdoorsman?
Yeah. Seriously, could you survive the night like in the snow like this?
Oh, yeah. Of course. Oh, man. This is the most fun I've ever had.
You don't like shopping.
I like shoplifting.
You like shoplifting.
I used to get a real high from that.
Shoplift?
Oh, big time.
What are the foods that give you gas?
Everything.
What makes you gassy? Really?
Believe me, I'll be the first to tell you, this is insane.
You know who we're hiking with today?
What do you mean?
Your buddy, Gary Shannon. No, so there's 3 of us hiking today.
So, this is so interesting. How many people have part of Gary?
Boy, it's nice to have somebody else hold the camera for a change.
Men. Oh, God! What's it doing?
Are we going really slow or really fast?
You also seem like the type of person that enjoys massages. Deep tissue.
All right, now listen. This has already gotten weird. I'm in the woods and you're asking me if I like deep tissue massages.
Right off the bat.
I thought it was going to be super normal.
Can we talk about the elephant in the room or in the park?
Uh-huh.
What is it like being in a relationship with a full-fledged, verified movie star? Hey, we're walking here! What was your experience working with Woody?
He's a character and he's an oddball, but he was incredibly respectful.
When you know. You all right, bro?
God, bro.
Okay, buddy?
What happened? Was that a hate crime?
You get road rage ever?
Oh, yeah. Who's calling you, Robert Plant?
Sandler.
Is it really?
Yeah.
You just sent him away?
Yeah.
Wow.
Your house burned down?
Yeah.
How'd that happen? You weren't smoking in bed, were you?
I'm not into whiny neediness.
Oh boy, we better head back now then. How crazy was it living in Washington, D.C.? I mean, these are the people you made fun of all your life.
Well, you know, it was very strange to obviously go from the job in the Senate, which I loved, and...
Yeah, you were great. You did a lot for Minnesota and for the country.
And the world.
And the world!
And
in
the
a world!
I wrote a lot of the lyrics in these woods. I mean, that's...
Did you really?
That's how I write, yeah. Kev,
you want me to change the beat?
I just can't find the downbeat in what you're doing.
All right, here we go. You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, I got the downbeat. That's all you had to say.
Okay. I don't know where to start with that.
There you have it. Just a little taste of season 2. If you missed any, you can go back and watch it on youtube.com/Kevin Nealon Comedy or hashtag Hiking with Kevin. Some really fun hikes. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and I hope to see you for season 3 in September. Happy trails.
I never stop talking. It's really a problem, actually.